Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from CryptoDust to a Exodus wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you just have to click on this crypto wallet and then a list of cryptocurrency will open up which you currently have in your account. Now from here, you have to select Ripple or XRP option. Then on the screen, you have to tap on this transfer button, and from this option, you have to from this window you have to click on withdraw, and then another pop-up window will appear. From here, click on this external wallet, and then on the screen, you have to tap on this button add wallet address. Then you have to select the XRP from this list of cryptocurrencies. Then you just have to paste the wallet address from your Exodus in this area. So open up your Exodus wallet and then click on this receive button. After that, you can search in this area for XRP in this search bar and then click on this XRP option. After that, click on this copy button right next to your wallet address and then go back to your crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area, and you can leave this tag area blank because in this Exodus wallet a destination tag isn't required when you receive XRP. So you can click on this checkbox no tag required for my wallet and then click on wallet, enter your wallet name and then click on continue. After that, click on this yes I trust this address button and then just enter your passcode and then your wallet address will be added here. So you just have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address, then click on confirm and withdraw, and lastly just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on withdraw, and you just have to confirm that your wallet address and then network type is correct and then click on confirm. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from your crypto.com to your Exodus wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.